Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's get started.
Hi there, we found this super cool Paper Pals craft book you can buy in Smiggle, and it has heaps of these 3D origami animals that you can make. So let's get started and try it out. And it shows you a little picture here of what she looks like. So we've started gluing her together. We've done a head and we've folded and glued the sections, and we've glued the antlers and the ears and things together. We're just doing that one, and this is her body. So as you can see, it has little fold lines here, so you just go along and fold it, and then you glue it on these little areas here where it's sort of shaded. So it's great for kids to learn how to fold and glue and put things together. So we're just doing that little project today.
Thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.